Are you tired of struggling with heavy, cumbersome vacuum cleaners that fail to deliver the results you need? Say goodbye to cleaning frustrations and hello to effortless cleaning with the BISSELL CleanView Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. Designed to tackle all of life's messes with ease, this powerful and lightweight vacuum cleaner is a game changer for home cleaning enthusiasts. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Superior cleaning performance. Experience the ultimate cleaning power with the BISSELL CleanView. Our one-pass and scatter-free technology ensure that you can clean carpets simply on the first pass, while also capturing debris from hard surfaces with less scatter. Vacuum confidently, knowing that you're picking up even hard-to-see debris, leaving your floors spotless and fresh. Versatile cleaning features. Cleaning messes shouldn't be limited to just your floors. With the active extension wand reaching up to 10 feet, you can easily clean hard-to-reach areas with speed and precision. Say goodbye to dust bunnies lurking in corners and under furniture. The BISSELL CleanView has you covered. Pet-friendly design. At BISSELL, we understand that pets are part of the family, which is why every purchase of a BISSELL product supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Our washable filters and multi-level filtration system ensure that pet hair and dander are effectively captured, leaving your home clean and fresh for both you and your furry friends. Convenient and easy to use. Cleaning shouldn't be a hassle, which is why we've designed the BISSELL CleanView with convenience in mind. The XL dirt container holds up to 2 liters of debris, so you can clean longer without the need for frequent emptying. And when it's time to empty the tank, our Easy Empty Dirt tank makes the process quick and mess-free with just the push of a button. If you're ready to make cleaning effortless and enjoy a cleaner, fresher home without the hassle, the BISSELL CleanView Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect choice. Its superior cleaning performance, versatile features, pet-friendly design, and convenient operation make it a must-have for any modern home. In conclusion, the BISSELL CleanView Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is a game-changer for home cleaning enthusiasts. Its powerful suction, versatile cleaning features, pet-friendly design, and convenient operation make it the ultimate cleaning companion for tackling all of life's messes with ease. Don't settle for less when it comes to cleaning your home. Choose the BISSELL CleanView and enjoy a cleaner, fresher living environment today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.